Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show your Spotify status on Discord. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Discord application. Once you open Discord, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on connections. And once you are in connections, then you simply need to click on add on the top right, and here you need to click on Spotify, and now you need to log in your Spotify account. So you need to enter your email address and password and click on login. So for this case I'm using my details and click on login. And once you are login, so wait for a second, click on agree. Okay, so now you can see that connecting your Spotify account to Discord. Okay, then you need to, so you can see that it is now connecting. So wait for a few seconds, let's connect again. Okay, so now it is connected, and then you need to toggle the second option on, display Spotify as your status. And then you need to open Spotify, and when you listen to any track here and open your Discord, it will be shown here in your profile as your status on the Discord. So this is the song, and it will be shown here when you listen to that. So this is a process by which you can show Spotify on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.